Okay, so I used Wix for my website and for my activities to put in to the website. My objective, my performance objective was students will be able to make a monarch butterfly book showing the different stages of a monarch butterfly. They will also be able to write facts with a sentence or two describing each life cycle stage from what they have learned from the activities provided. Now I started off with, hello third graders. We will be learning about the life cycle of a monarch butterfly. So that's my main outcome, is that they will learn about the life cycle of a monarch butterfly, along with learning the stages and learning facts about the life cycles as well as other things. And so it says now let's go through the activities to learn about these beautiful activities. So you can click onto this button and it will take you to the activities. I really like my first activity, which is a book that they will read, but before reading the book, they will get on their iPads and they will use their Rasma app, and they will get a trigger image, and it's a picture of a monarch butterfly, and then along with a video clip of monarch migration. And I thought it was a great video to get them introduced to. And also throughout the book, it really talks about migration, and it also talks about the life cycle, which is really good for my next activity, which is it's a life cycle little activity that they will practice, and I'll take you to it. So if you play, it will actually, you'll have to go through the steps. So if they don't get it right, they have to keep finding the right, stage. So we'll just go back to it. So they'll go through this until they have mastered the whole life cycle. And then at the end, it just shows how did you do. So they can practice that until they feel like they've mastered it. And then I have a little video after the practicing of the life cycle, and I really like this video because it has a lot of information over the quiz.
Crossbite Theater presents.
Over the quiz I used for my Socrative. So my third activity was the Socrative quiz. And so they'll put the code in, and then they will answer the questions, and a lot of the questions are actually in the video. So I really like that, and some were actually in the book that they read. And the quiz has a lot to do with the stages, because in my final activity is my outcome, which is I want them to be able to make a monarch butterfly book. So they will basically go through the stages, write the stages down, draw a picture of the stage, and then they will write a fact or two about that stage. And then I have a rubric with more activities, which I thought were really cool. There's a fun fact, fun facts. You can actually do some crafts on some of these websites that I linked them to. And back to the credits, and then back to the introduction. So in case they need to go back or anything, they're able to with these buttons. So my overall thing was for them to be able to make a book over the life cycle, and I think my activities did a good job. So that's it.